India is home to third largest Muslim population in the world after Indonesia and Pakistan. Islam in India dates back to 8th century and originated through trade relations between its western coastal regions and Arabia. Today, Islam is the second largest religion in India in terms of followers who are living harmoniously with other religious communities across the length and breadth of country. Soon after independence, India adopted a secular constitution according to equal rights and opportunities to Muslims. Muslims in India are leading a far peaceful and progressive life as compared to Muslims living in many Islamic republics. Indian Muslims do not suffer from the sectarian strifes like Shia-Sunni tensions, which is the root cause of turmoil in the Middle East. In India, all the Muslim sects including Shia, Sunni, Ahmadi, Bohra etc. are accorded equal status, unlike Pakistan where Ahmadis are not even considered Muslims and Shias are discriminated against by majority Sunnis. Indian state does not perpetrate violence on its citizens like in Pakistan, where the Muslim army is killing their own citizens, the innocent Muslim Balochis. Muslims in India have attained noteworthy positions in different spheres of life. Muslims have held top constitutional posts, led countries' critical defense projects, senior positions in bureaucracy, and also enjoy the status of being luminaries across diverse areas. The democratic political system of India has ensured the minorities participate equally in the affairs of the country. The Government of India is implementing various affirmative actions to uplift the downtrodden sections of Muslims. It would be apt to mention that Muslims in India are leading a happy and peaceful life in India. India is emerging as a microcosm of interfaith harmony and peaceful coexistence.